Our first caller is Radhika from Bengaluru. Radhika, if you're joining us on the phone line, this entire story from Delhi to Gujarat of criminal negligence, of apathy, of rules not being followed, and of lives being lost because of this kind of negligence. What's your message today?
Yes, I'm from Mangaluru, not Bengaluru.
Okay, beg your pardon, I stand corrected.
Yes, the thing is we never seem to learn. The press also, they awake when there's a thing like this. But after a few days, the interest is gone, the story is pushed to the back burner. So we don't have any checks in place. Nobody is accountable. Only when this happens, they pass the buck.
All right, Radhika there, very angry, saying that we cannot forget when some things happen. It cannot be that we outrage for a day and then forget and there is no accountability. Who does the onus lie with? When will this stop? We also have Moti Gupta joining us from Bharuch in Gujarat. In Rajkot today, a fire in a gaming zone led to the death of 28 people. In that, there were also children. In Delhi, 7 infants, newborns, have lost their lives because of criminal negligence. Mr. Moti Gupta, what's your message?
My message is that when such unfortunate incidences happen, we do hear in the news that the owners are arrested, owners are questioned, owners are jailed. I never hear any government officials being questioned, being punished, or being jailed. Why?
So Moti Gupta calling us from Bharuch in Gujarat. When we talk about the probe, they say that he's trying to say that whenever something happens, owners of a particular setup or organization pay the price, and rightly so. But what about those government officials who turned a blind eye? This is the voice of the Aam Aadmi Party here on, I beg your pardon, the Aam Aadmi in who's facing this and who's asking these questions. Now let's also tell you about the politics that's playing out, especially in Delhi. Saurabh Bharadwaj visited the spot today. He then went on to give a soundbite. He went on to say that he tried getting in touch with the health secretary, but his messages on WhatsApp went unanswered. His calls also went unanswered. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal says that negligence will not be tolerated. There's a blame game, an attempt to pass the buck. Listen to how the politics is playing out over the blaze that killed babies. Watch.
मेरी फायर डिपार्टमेंट के हेड से बात हुई और उन्होंने बताया कि उनका अंदाज़ा है कि शायद शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से आग लगी और क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर इसके अंदर थे तो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट होने की वजह से ये आग काफ़ी बढ़ गई और इसके अंदर न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज़ करीब 12 के करीब थे जिनको रेस्क्यू किया गया, मगर बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि करीब 6 बच्चों की दम घुटने की वजह से इसमें मृत्यु हो गई। एक और बच्चे की हालत गंभीर बताई जा रही है। हमारी तरफ से बहुत साफ है कि इसकी जांच करेंगे और जो भी दोषी हैं जिन्होंने इसके अंदर लापरवाही की है या मिलीभगत की है उनको सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
ये बड़ी दुखद घटना है और इस तरह की घटना दिल्ली के लिए तो शर्मनाक है। 7 बच्चे जिन्होंने आंखें भी नहीं खोली और वो चले गए। क्या उसके परिवार पे, क्या उसकी माँ पे बीत रही होगी, ये तो दर्द समझने की बात है। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य इस देश का ये है कि दिल्ली के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री यहाँ आते हैं और जांच की बात करके चले जाते हैं। मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ, नरेला, मुंडका, अलीपुर, अनाज मंडी, करोल बाग, ऐसी कितनी जगह आग लगी? अभी कृष्णानगर भी वहाँ पर है, वहाँ भी कल 3 लोग चले गए। हर बार आग लगती है, अब जांच की बात करते हैं, चले जाते हैं और उस जांच के नाम पे सिर्फ वो अधिकारी पैसा लूटने का काम करते हैं। उस समय आप कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं करते? ये जो हादसा है, अगर इलीगल नर्सिंग होम चल रहा है, इलीगल रिफिलिंग हो रही है गैस सिलेंडर्स की, तो वो सारे अधिकारी जो जिनकी आंख के नीचे ये काम होते हैं वो दोषी हैं, उन सबको सूली पे लटका देना चाहिए।
कार्रवाई करना चाहिए। जो मापदंड हैं, सुरक्षा के मापदंड है, अगर उनमें कहीं चूक हुई है तो ज़रूर कार्रवाई करी जाना चाहिए। हालांकि मैं बड़ा दुख व्यक्त करता हूं और जिनके बच्चे अब नहीं रहे दुनिया में, मैं उनकी तकलीफ को समझ सकता हूं।
Sudha Rajan is calling us from Bengaluru. Blame game has erupted, be it in Gujarat or in Delhi. There are questions being asked. Who said what? You are responsible. I am responsible. This party is responsible. This is what we are hearing from netas. But like our viewers have been asking today, where is the accountability? Why is it that government officials are never questioned when such things happen? Sundar Rajan, what's your, beg your pardon, Sundar Rajan, what's your first reaction?
My first reaction is I'm totally appalled by the attitude of people. And in every public space, whether it be a hospital or a commercial establishment, there should be a foolproof safety norms. And in case of emergency, what next? What are the other things that is available? These should be put in place. And there's no point in blaming and at this point of time passing the buck. The safety department should ensure that every public place, be it a hospital or a commercial place, is properly safety proof. And then in case of an emergency, that adequate provision of fighting equipment are put in place. And this should be done very periodically.
All right. So Raghottam from Bangalore is also joining us. You heard Sundar Rajan. He goes on to say that blame game will not help. Let's talk about action. Let's talk about what can be done to ensure something like this never happens again. What's your message, Raghottam?
Ma'am, very good evening, and it's very heartening to see what's happening in India. It's not the first time such incident has happened. As you rightly put it, the accountability and the action has never been a precedence in our system of administration, whether it is BJP-led government or AAP or Congress or any other government for that matter. What gives the comfort to these administrative bureaucratic systems is that they can get up with giving one or two scapegoats during the first week of media attention, and everybody goes scot-free. There is no system in the administration that nobody is allowed scot-free, right? We don't get to hear or see such incidents happening in any developed societies across the world because they even know that they can be hanged till death or imprisoned for life. Where is such a system here?
Okay.
I'm sure if we go on a road today, we can find at least 10 such illegal structures on any street. Be it Bangalore or be it Delhi, madam. It's the same thing.
Be it Bangalore or Delhi, this is the same apathy everywhere. It's time for accountability is what Raghottam tells us from Bengaluru. Thank you for calling in. Tej Kumar is also joining us from Noida. In Delhi, 7 newborns have lost their life because of this fire that broke out at the childcare center. Now we are realizing that since 2021, this childcare center was under the radar. It did not have requisite permissions. Fire safety norms have been flouted. What's your first message?
Well, I think in India, we lack discipline. There is corruption at the lowest level, and there is no accountability. And this is a deadly cocktail, and that is why we have repeated incidents of such nature which account for numerous lives. And here you have in Karnataka, you have in Gujarat, so many children dying in such a horrifying death. You have a similar thing happening in Delhi. I would suggest that right from the minister till the last man down the chain, including government. In fact, most of them are actually government officials because somebody is allowing these things to, these illegal activities to take place, these illegal structures to come up, and there is no accountability. So most of these government officials and the people who are running...
It's time for accountability. That's the voice that's resonating amongst all our viewers who've called us in. It's time to ensure that everyone who's allowed this kind of illegality to go on, that has led today to the loss of lives of 35 people, should be made accountable. That's what our viewers are telling us today. Time for us to slip into a short commercial break. We'll be back as we keep our focus on the big story coming in from both.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।